Today we're going to show you how to properly connect a router when using Skynet Broadband service. This is a Netgear router. On the back side you can see the connections here, starting with power, then you have the switch ports, and then the internet port, which is generally a different color. So with Skynet Broadband service you'll have a wire that comes from the outside, looks like an Ethernet cable here, and also you'll have a power injector. This is what provides power to the outside equipment. You want to make sure that this cable that comes from outside is securely plugged in to the port provided on the power injector, and it is labeled to radio. Then you have the other end of the power injector that will then plug into the internet port. As long as both the internet port and the power cable are properly connected, you should have internet service.